Dude, something's not right, guys. Why are these PCs so expensive? I was watching TikTok and I heard about a company called Overkill Computers and what they're charging for pre-built PCs. I've been following this guy for a while, and it's a circuit board, and he takes the cost. It's like, how much does it cost for them to build your PC? And I enjoy the content, though I do find some flaws in the way that he approaches it. It's TikTok, so he has a very short amount of time, but we've got the show Pre-Built in Gaming, where we kind of cover some of that stuff, and we kind of go over the value of what purchasing a PC from certain companies is. And there are pre-builts that are, when you talk about main gear, you get lifetime warranty, Origin PC, lifetime warranty. There's a bunch of different things as you kind of start to move from like S tier all the way to like E tier. I've just made up these tiers. I don't know what the lowest tier one is. D, I guess, I don't know. I was watching his TikTok and he talked about this company called Overkill Computers. Now, to be clear, I have heard of Overkill Computers. In fact, they have some incredible collaborations with some big social media individuals. They've done some really, really funny campaigns. So I've never dug into them. I've never been interested in them, but I've seen like some of their crazy builds that they've done, and mostly around the water cooling. But there was something that he mentioned about the cost of a pre-built system that was like, that made me go, wait, what? Okay, so let's just go in here and let's find, one they're talking about is these pre-built. Apex, $2,627.94. Holy cow. You know what, honestly, circuit board, you aren't wrong. This is an AMD Ryzen 5600X, a GTX 3060, 16 gigs of RAM, an X570 motherboard, that's kind of price, a stock AMD cooler, a 500 gig M.2, a 2 terabyte hard drive, and an EVGA 700 watt. There is nothing about your service and support, like nothing in here for service and support. Dude, something's not right, guys. Why are these PCs so expensive? If I was to build that PC, the $1,000 PC that we just did. So in this build, for $1,000, 12400F, a B660, a Fractal Pop Air with a 500 gig NVMe, a 3060 Ti, 16 gigs of RAM, which is 3200 megahertz of CL16, and a 650 watt gold PSU for $1,000. I can like buy one for my friends and still not pay for this one, which is worse. Guys, Overkill Computers, something's going on there. Even check this out, let's go to main gear. So here's a 3060 Ti with a 5600, 16 gigs of RAM, 3600 megahertz RAM, a 512 and a 1 terabyte hard drive, $1,599. So to be super clear, that means that you get lifetime warranty and support, right? Not parts replacement, but you can basically call them at any time and get support on your PC. And that's $1,599. Let's look at NZXT. So starter PC, a Core i5, a 3060, 3000 megahertz RAM, 512 gig NVMe SSD for $1,200. This is $2,627. How did you get something else with this? Like, what? Okay, that's bonkers. Blizzard. So this is a Ryzen 7 5800X, a 3070, 32 gigs of 3200 megahertz RAM, a B550 motherboard, an H100i, a 500 gig for $3,200. What? Why the heck is that $3,200? Okay, so fine, main gear, 3070, 5800X, 16 gigs of RAM at 3600 megahertz, a 512, a 1 terabyte, $1,949. Literally $1,200 less. Remember, the main gear comes with freaking ridiculous support. Do you feel like these prices are fair? Is there something I'm missing? Is there something that I'm not seeing here that I should be seeing? Because these PCs are more expensive than main gear, which has like crazy support, NZXT, ABS, and way above building your own PC for that same price. So is there anything I'm not seeing? What do you guys think? I'd love to know that and more down in the comments below. Now, while you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video right here on Robeytech. By the way, we also have a live stream channel, and one of the things I talk about is this thing called pre-builds and gaming, and that is something that we actually highlight on that channel. So if you'd like to pay attention and tune into that, make sure you check out Robeytech Live down in the description below, so you can like and subscribe to know when we go live with, you know, specific shows just like that. Now, do you have questions about pre-builts or anything else like that? Then check out our amazing Discord server over at discord.gg/Robeytech, filled with other tech and PC enthusiasts that love to share their thoughts and ideas on these very subjects. Are you looking for cheap tech that aren't overkill computers? And check out @Robeytech.com or @Robeytech Deals on Twitter, where we have our guy Tom scouring the internet for the best deals on all things from like tech to PC components to gaming to you name it. Finally, you can follow me and my entire team on all the other socials @Robeytech absolutely everywhere. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because I'm perplexed, and I hope to see you on the next one.